If you are asking how to get money from Kikoff, you are not alone. This is one of the most common questions people have before signing up or right after creating an account. The short answer is this: Kikoff is not a cash app, and you cannot withdraw money directly like a bank loan or payday app. But there is more to it, and once you understand how Kikoff actually works, you can decide if it is useful for your financial goals. Let us break everything down clearly and honestly. Kikoff is a credit-building platform. Its main purpose is to help you build or improve your credit score, especially if you have little credit history or a low score. Unlike traditional lenders, Kikoff does not hand you cash upfront to spend however you want. Instead, it gives you access to a small credit line or loan-like product that is designed to report positive payment activity to the credit bureaus. So when people ask, "How do I get money from Kikoff?" what they are really asking is whether Kikoff gives real cash or loans you can withdraw. Here is how Kikoff works in practice. When you sign up for Kikoff, you typically get one of their credit-building products. The most common is the Kikoff credit account. This gives you a small revolving credit line, often around $750. However, this money is not sent to your bank account. You cannot withdraw it as cash, and you cannot transfer it to another app. Instead, the credit line is used inside Kikoff's system. Kikoff uses that credit to make small purchases on your behalf, usually for digital products or services offered through their platform. You then make monthly payments toward that balance. These on-time payments are reported to major credit bureaus, which helps build your credit history over time. Because of this structure, Kikoff does not work like a personal loan, cash advance, or emergency cash app. So to be very clear, you cannot directly get cash from Kikoff. There is no cash withdrawal option. There is no instant payout. There is no bank transfer of loan money. Now, here is where people sometimes get confused. Some users think Kikoff is similar to apps like Dave, Earnin, or MoneyLion. Those apps focus on short-term cash access. Kikoff does not. Kikoff focuses on long-term credit improvement. However, Kikoff can still help you get access to money indirectly. Here is how. By using Kikoff responsibly and making consistent on-time payments, your credit score can improve over time. A better credit score can open doors to real financial products that do give cash, such as personal loans, credit cards with cash advances, better interest rates from banks, and even higher approval chances for rent or utilities. So while Kikoff does not give you money today, it can help position you to qualify for money elsewhere in the future. This is the trade-off. Kikoff is low risk, low stress, and beginner-friendly, but it is not a source of quick cash. Another question people ask is whether Kikoff offers any kind of loan that turns into cash later. The answer is still no. Even Kikoff's installment-style products are structured purely for credit reporting, not for cash disbursement. You pay a small monthly fee or payment, and Kikoff reports that activity to credit bureaus. That is the entire value proposition. If your goal is emergency money, rent assistance, or fast cash, Kikoff is not the right tool. You would be better looking at traditional lenders, employer advances, or community financial programs. But if your goal is to rebuild credit after mistakes, start credit from scratch, or add positive payment history without the risk of overspending, Kikoff can be useful. Now let us talk about who Kikoff is best for. Kikoff is ideal if you have no credit history, a thin credit file, or a low score due to missed payments in the past. It is also helpful if you want a predictable, low-cost way to build credit without worrying about interest charges or debt spirals. It is not ideal if you need money right now or if you expect a loan payout. Before signing up, it is important to be honest with yourself about your goal. If you are watching this video because you want to withdraw money from Kikoff, you will likely be disappointed. But if you want to build credit safely, Kikoff can play a small but useful role in your financial plan. One more important point. Because Kikoff does not give cash, you should never sign up expecting a payout. Any claim suggesting you can cash out Kikoff funds is misleading. Always rely on Kikoff's official terms and avoid third-party promises.